How to add voice recorder to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. After, tap on the left-hand side panel. Now in here, go down. You can either choose a left shortcut or the right shortcut. So tap on it. And then we scroll down and select Voice Recorder. Then tap on Done. And then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now if you press on the side button to go to your lock screen, you can see the voice recorder will be available at the bottom. Just simply swipe on it to start the voice recording. And that's it. Here you can tap on it to start your voice recording. And that is how you can add the voice recorder to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.